Today, we're diving into a journey that blends timeless design with a hands-on spirit, a mid-century modern renovation, a nature-inspired DIY guide. Whether you're here for the inspiration or ready to roll up your sleeves, this is where you'll discover how to shape your home into a space that feels both modern and deeply connected to nature. Imagine walking into a room bathed in natural light, with clean lines, warm wood tones, and touches of greenery that breathe life into every corner. That's the essence of mid-century modern: simple, functional, yet undeniably stylish. And here at Uncle Sam Decor, we're not just talking theory. We'll show you how to take these ideas and turn them into DIY projects and renovation tips that you can bring to life in your own home, step by step. So, whether you're tackling your very first home renovation or looking to refresh your space with a modern, nature-inspired twist, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll see how every detail, furniture, decor, and layout can work together to create a space that's not only beautiful, but personal and practical. This is more than just design. It's a lifestyle you can build with your own hands. Crafting a mid-century modern oasis. Welcome to the first step of transforming your home into a nature-inspired mid-century modern haven. Imagine walking into a space that feels timeless yet fresh, where every corner tells a story. In this section, we'll explore DIY interior decorating techniques that blend the clean lines of mid-century modern design with natural elements like wood, greenery, and organic textures. Think of earthy tones meeting minimalist furniture and light-filled rooms that create warmth and balance. We'll show you how to select color palettes, textures, and decor pieces that make your interior feel both stylish and inviting, all while staying true to a DIY spirit. From creating your own planters to designing accent walls with subtle geometric patterns, every step emphasizes home renovation techniques you can tackle yourself. By the end of this part, you'll have a blueprint for decorating that harmonizes with nature while showcasing mid-century modern charm. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss a tip on transforming your home with creativity and heart, and give this video a like if you're ready to dive into DIY renovation. Designing function and style. Now, let's bring your home to life with furniture that speaks both to design and comfort. Furniture is the soul of a mid-century modern home, and choosing the right pieces is where function meets aesthetic. Here, we'll guide you through DIY furniture hacks and renovation tips, from restoring vintage chairs to building sleek wooden shelves that echo natural vibes. You'll learn how to blend classic mid-century silhouettes with sustainable materials like reclaimed wood or bamboo, creating a cohesive look that feels authentic. Every table, chair, and cabinet can become a DIY project, giving your space a personal touch while staying on trend with current home renovation ideas. As you watch, imagine transforming an ordinary room into a curated mid-century modern space with nature-inspired touches that invite serenity. If you're inspired by creative, hands-on design, subscribe, like, and share. Let's build a community passionate about home transformation. Bringing nature to your doorstep. Your mid-century modern journey isn't complete without embracing the outdoors. Step outside, where your renovation meets the natural world. In this section, we'll explore DIY landscaping and patio projects that complement your interior style, from minimalist garden layouts to natural wooden decks that feel effortlessly chic. Imagine cozy seating areas surrounded by greenery, solar-powered lighting highlighting clean lines, and planters that echo the interior's mid-century tones. We'll give you step-by-step guidance on creating outdoor spaces that are both functional and visually stunning, merging nature with your home renovation vision. By the end of this segment, your backyard or terrace will feel like an extension of your living room, a perfect blend of modern design and natural inspiration. If this sparks your creativity, smash that like button, subscribe, and share your DIY progress with our community. Infusing personality into your renovation. Let's dive into the design philosophy that makes your home uniquely yours. Mid-century modern is more than furniture and colors, it's a lifestyle. In this part, we'll uncover how to integrate personal touches while maintaining the design's clean, minimalist vibe. Think statement lighting, natural textures, and art pieces that reflect your personality while staying true to the overall aesthetic. We'll explore DIY decor ideas that merge vintage charm with modern simplicity, allowing you to infuse warmth without cluttering your space. From curated wall art to nature-inspired accents, every element contributes to a home renovation that tells a story, your story. For viewers who love creative design and hands-on DIY transformation, this is where the magic happens. Remember to subscribe for weekly renovation inspiration, like if you love personalized design, and share your favorite ideas in the comments. We want to see your creative spin. Finishing touches for a complete renovation. Finally, let's talk about the small details that make a big impact. The finishing touches are what elevate a good renovation into a truly remarkable space. In this section, we'll cover DIY lighting, storage solutions, and decor hacks that tie your mid-century modern theme together. Small changes, like updating hardware, adding natural textiles, or arranging greenery, can transform the vibe of your entire home. We'll also share trending home renovation tips that blend practicality with aesthetics, ensuring your space is not only beautiful but also functional for daily life. By incorporating these ideas, your DIY renovation will feel intentional, polished, and harmonious with nature-inspired elements. If this guide has inspired you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY home renovation tips. Like this video if you learned something new, and share it with friends who love design. Let's create a community where every home tells a story. And that wraps up our deep dive into mid-century modern renovation, a nature-inspired DIY guide. From DIY decorating hacks to practical home renovation ideas, we've explored how to merge timeless mid-century design with natural elements that bring warmth and balance into your home. If today's guide sparked your imagination, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button, subscribe to Uncle Sam Decor, and share this video with friends who are just as passionate about creating beautiful spaces. Together, we can build a community where design meets creativity, and every renovation becomes a story worth telling.